Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to delete Hamster Kombat on Telegram. Delete a Hamster Kombat Telegram account. First of all, you'll need to open the Telegram application. Once you're inside the main home page, go ahead and open up your Hamster Kombat bot. After you load up your Hamster Kombat bot, you will get to this main interface. Tap the gear button at the top right corner of the screen and this will open up the settings menu. Click on delete account from the menu and tap on delete account once again and you will be able to delete your Hamster Kombat on Telegram. Remember that deleting the account will delete all of your data including game progress, achievements and purchases, and the process cannot be undone. So that's how you can easily delete Hamster Kombat using Telegram application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode.